Before performing the service, prepare a clean workspace. Remove the mattress and clear any bedroom furniture or clutter from around and under the adjustable base. This service is best performed with the base turned over. This service requires a Phillips head screwdriver. First, unplug the adjustable base from the outlet or power point. Disconnect the LED power box cord from the control box. Disconnect the LED power box from the LED strip cord. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws located on each side of the LED power box. Disconnect the cord from each end of the inoperable LED strip. Again, use your Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the 2 screws located at each end of the LED strip. Then replace the LED power box with the new unit. Realign the screws with the hole mounts on the base, then screw both screws in. Replace the LED strip with the new unit. Realign the screws with the hole mounts on the base and secure them. Reconnect the LED strip cords at each end of the LED strip. Reconnect the LED power box cord to the control box. Now that the replacement is complete, turn the bed over, reapply the mattress, and test the functions to confirm the base is operating as intended. If you have any questions or would like further assistance, please contact us through the contact information on your warranty card.